So if you want to trade this type of market, you should learn how to trade this type of market, not trading in the market without you having experience or whatever. Now, alright, best people, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we talked about market structure in the cycle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could understand market structure in a better way. I really want you to make success in trading in less than no time. That is why I care about your knowledge. So there are three things when you come to market structure. There are three things you need to understand. Something like this. This is the downtrend with the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, in this kind of trend or in this kind of market, you should not look for opportunity to buy. If you are not a counter trader, I'm going to come to that level when you are counter trading. But for now, you should not look for, as a beginner, you should not look for a buy position in this type of market. This type of market, you just look for a way out to sell. Avoid everything that will make you to buy. Now, you might buy in this kind of short distance, in a short range, but it most of the times take experienced trader to be able to be profitable in a counter trend. Most of the times beginners are not lucky in a counter trend because there are many rules and there are many news that could facilitate you to lose. So it only takes an experienced trader that will be able to be profitable in counter trending. As a beginner trader trying to understand what the market is all about, avoid counter trending. Trade according to the trend. If it's uptrend, trade uptrend. If it's downtrend, trade downtrend. And the second type of market I would like you to understand as a beginner trader, talking about market structure, is the uptrend. Let me show you. Now, when you are talking about uptrend, you are talking about something like this. Now, this is a simple uptrend. This one is the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, you see the market like this. Now, in this trend of the market, you should not look for opportunity to sell. It's not that there's no opportunity to sell, but for you to understand and be friendly with the market, avoid any sell position. For you not to be greed or trading with fear, just trade with the market. Number one, you'll be able to, hit your TP very fast because it's the market trend. It's just as if you are flowing with the river. You are not flowing against the river. Swimming against the river will not be easy. But when you are swimming with the river, you will definitely be fast. So if you are trading with the trend, if it's uptrend, target your uptrend. If it's downtrend, target your downtrend. If you want to trade this type of market, you should learn how to trade this type of market, not trading in the market without you having experience or whatever. Now, please, YouTube have noticed me that 85% of my viewers are not my subscriber. Please, if you ascertain any knowledge from this, you do well to subscribe to my channel so we help each other to grow. And another type of trend I would like you to know is consolidation. When you're talking about consolidation, you are talking about market ranging. Now, this is consolidation. Market ranging from one price to another consistently. Ranging is not moving to any direction, it's not going to the buy side, it's not going to the sell side. Now, this type of market, you are advised as a beginner, trying to understand what market structure is all about, trying to understand how does this market structure work. Please avoid this type of market. Avoid this type of market, especially in a very volatile market like gold, in a very volatile pair like gold, Nasdaq and the rest. Please avoid this type of market if you know what you are doing, because this type of market will make you to blow your account. The market is not moving anywhere, then why will you want to trade? If the market is not selling, why will you want to sell? If the market is not buying, why will you want to buy? So in this kind of market, you will just need to avoid it. Avoid this type of market, avoid it. This type of market will cost you thousands of dollars. This type of market might cost you up to 4 years before you could realize that this type of market is going to be avoided. There are strategies for this type of market. Looking at this, if you want to counter trade, is another lecture I will need to take you on. But a very short teaching on knowing your market structure. I believe with this you could understand when to buy and when to sell in the market. Please avoid to buy an opposite market. So what do you observe here? At some point the market refused to create higher high. At some point the market refused to create higher high. Then what do you see next? If it's normal chart, what do you see next? Most of the times the market will break and create a market structure shift at this point. That's what happens. If you want to understand this, just check my previous video I made about market structure trading. You will understand what I'm trying to say here. So at some point the market refuses to create a higher high, so it starts dropping to the downside. That is where we start looking for sell. As you can see, this is the trend market for sell. This is the trend market for buy. This is a consolidation market. So in this type of market, avoid it. In this type of market, you buy. In this type of market, you sell. So I believe I'm able to pass some knowledge to you. Please, if you ascertain any knowledge from this, do well to subscribe to my channel so we help each other to grow. Thank you. Stay blessed.